Cold temperatures like we're having mean more house fires during the winter months. 34 people died in South Carolina fires last winter.
As several of those fires were heating related, and the #1 offender, the space heater. 7 News reporter Ben Hoover is live in Greer, where first responders conducted a really visible reminder of how fast things can go wrong with space and kerosene heaters. Ben?
Well, Diane, you know this. The reality is here in the South, there's no need the vast majority of the year for things like heating pads or electric blankets or space heaters. But when we get a deep freeze like this for days on end, firefighters here at the Pelham-Batesville Fire Station say the least we can do is brush up on the do's and don'ts.
And this time of the year when it's really cold and a lot of people are trying to just heat 1 or 2 little rooms in their house, they might go buy a couple of space heaters and everything so they don't have to run their electrical bill up. Reality, what they're actually doing, not knowing that they're doing it, they're actually causing a fire hazard.
Whether you're breaking it out of a box or storage, Pelham-Batesville Fire Marshal Russell Hart says reading the owner's manual is important.
So right here it says intended use. This product is intended for indoor, residential, and office use only.
Hart says pay extra special attention to how you power the heaters. Extension cords are not the way to go.
When you use space heaters, you do not want to use extension cords, drop cords, or anything. You want a space heater by code is to be plugged directly into a receptacle.
To show you just how important, we plugged ours into 2 extension cords.
And you'd see where it'd start heating up. The green right there, that's 300, so it's still under, say, 100 degrees or so. Then you move over here to this brown cord.
Oh, wow.
See how it jumped up? It's pretty much melted the extension cord.
Once safely plugged in, keep combustibles 3 feet away or more.
Combustibles are considered wood, paper, and plastic.
Watch what happens when we put a blanket and a curtain directly on the heater. Within 5 minutes, both materials start to turn brown and melt.
See where it's starting to shrivel up on the back.
And never leave them unattended, especially with curious children.
So, stick it in there and see how quick that ignited. You know, just like a...
Live here in Greer, here's a close-up look at that extension cord. I will never look at these things the same again. Of course, firefighters say they're fine for things like Christmas lights, but don't ever hook up an electronic or especially a space heater with one of these, or it felt like putty in my hands earlier today when it was super hot. Live in Greer, Ben Hoover, 7 News.